Today we are making a Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day punch. It is fruity, refreshing, and so easy to make. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. So the first thing you are going to need is some freshly squeezed lemon juice. This adds a nice level of acidity to our drink and cuts through the sweetness. And the one thing about working outside is sometimes I get little leaves that fall in. So I'm gonna just take that out. So we have 1 cup of lemon juice going into our punch bowl. To add a nice fruity element to our punch, we have a strawberry simple syrup. This is so easy to make, and then it's great to have in your fridge because you can use it for so many other cocktails. To make it, all you need to do is take 1 cup of strawberries, cut off the ends and half them, and add that to your saucepan with 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. Let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until your strawberries are nice and soft. Then you can go in and mash them and then strain all of the chunks of strawberry out and let it cool, pop it in the fridge, and you have some delicious homemade strawberry simple syrup. Because I don't want my drink to be too sweet, I'm going to start with just half a cup of my strawberry simple syrup, but at the end I'm going to taste it because I usually will add half a cup to 1 cup of my simple syrup to this punch, but you can always add more, but you can't take it away. So let's add in our half a cup of strawberry simple syrup. Next, I just have some cranberry juice because you don't want it to be too boozy. So I'm going to add 3 cups of just cranberry juice. Delicious. And I have to say, this strawberry simple syrup smells so good. It is the best. You can pour this over ice cream. You don't even need to put it in a cocktail. It's so delicious. And of course, as this is a punch, we need to get it a little bit boozy. So I'm just going to add in some vanilla vodka. I personally love vanilla vodka, but if you're not a fan, you can just use regular vodka. And I'm going to add 2 cups of vodka to this punch, but as always, you can add or subtract the alcohol level to your liking. And there we go. I killed another bottle. Add this in. Now I'm just going to give it a stir and a little bit of a taste to see if I want to add any more simple syrup to it. Oh my God, that's good. That's delicious. I am going to add a touch more simple syrup. So I'm going to have it be a 3/4 cup total of simple syrup, because I'm just gonna add a 1/4 cup more, just because I want a little bit more of that strawberry flavor. Okay. Now I can give this a final stir. I can double dip, it's my punch. And the only people that are drinking it is my family, so they don't mind. Now I'm just going to grab some ice and we can serve ourselves a glass. And this is optional, but I got these ice molds of roses from Amazon and they're so pretty and they're really giving me Valentine's Day vibes. So now let's pour ourselves a drink. And this is optional, but I love to top my glass with a little bit of Prosecco or champagne. It's totally up to you. And if you are serving your punch right away, you can just add a bottle of champagne to your punch. But because I don't have guests coming for a few hours, I'm going to just add it on top as a little bubbly floater. And now it is time to try our drink. I gotta say, I'm excited. Oh, that is so good. It's perfectly fruity, it's not too sweet. You get a nice little bubbly element from the Prosecco, and all the flavors just work together perfectly, and it's such a pretty color. It's giving me Valentine's Day energy. So if you'd like to see some more of my punch and cocktail recipes, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have an amazing Valentine's Day. Cheers!